Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kayla. Today's video I am super duper excited for. I placed a big order from a website called Laura's Boutique, which I actually found through Instagram. They post a lot of like outfit of the day type looks, and so you can kind of see what they have, which I really like. All of it is ran by Laura, I'm assuming is her name. Truth be told, I don't remember everything I ordered because I ordered it quite a while ago. I do know one product that they had was out of stock, or it had gotten mismarked somehow, and they actually called me and stuff, and like I got to talk to like a real person about it. It was kind of nice, other than just getting like an email that's like, sorry, out of stock. Like, I definitely felt like the customer service was awesome, and so I really wanted to share a video of all this. The hardest thing about ordering from this website is I wasn't really sure on my sizing because they only had just the one girl, Laura, and her sizes, so it made it kind of hard to figure out what size you were. Typically, depending on the shirt, went with either a small or a medium, and then for the other stuff, I just went with my true to size, so we'll see how their size range is compared to like other brands. So this first shirt is called the Nicolette top, and it is this long sleeve cropped shirt. I must say the material on this is super nice. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, like it literally is like, it's almost like a legging material, but like thicker, kind of like a Lululemon type legging material. A lot of their stuff is pretty basic, but it seems to be pretty flattering on all body types based on what I've seen online. That's what people really like about it. Next is another shirt. I actually have one really similar to this now that I'm opening it up and seeing it in person, and it seems like it might be kind of see-through, which is what I was really afraid of. This is this shirt. It's just this basic white tank top, and it kind of has this like light rib detailing on it. I have a shirt that's really similar to this, and what I have to do for that one is I wear like this light gray colored bralette underneath it, and it actually looks really nice, to be honest. It looks pretty put together, so I think that'll be pretty. The only thing that stinks is that this is those really thin straps that are super in right now, and basically like these are supposed to just be like make you look really clean and all that kind of stuff, so I don't really get that effect with the bralette underneath, but it'll work. I believe this is a shirt I got called about being mismarked on the stock. I originally ordered it in an emerald green color, but I ended up getting this mousy gray type color. It's almost more like a silver. I didn't really get to see what I was getting. Like I said, the girl just called me and was like, hey, like we're out of stock, sorry about that. And so she was either gonna offer store credit or I was able to pick a different color. And again, like I said, like since I did over the phone, I didn't really get to see the colors. So I chose this one. I think this would be really pretty in like a burnt orange color. This would be like a good like heading to a party type shirt where you're not trying to look like overdressed, but you also want to look like kind of edgy. I think this is like the perfect top for that with this type of material. It just kind of gives you a little bit extra to your look. Next top is basically what the like most simple shirt of the year was, with just a black tank top. I feel like this is what like Kylie Jenner wears a lot. She has really pretty like chest, shoulders, like it's really like flattering, and so I feel like this is the type of shirt she wears with the really dainty straps. This material is a little different from the first one. I really liked the material. It was a little bit thicker, denser type of top. This one is more like, I don't know how to explain this. It's almost like, you know those tights you wore when you were little, like under your dress and stuff? It's almost like that, but like a thicker version of it. It's not a bad material. It's just kind of different than anything I have. So I guess it's cool. Like, it's cute enough, pretty simple. Their pricing's pretty fair, especially for being a smaller, you know, personally owned business. This shirt was $13.99. The white tank top was $10.99. And that velvet shirt I just showed was also $10.99. So I think the pricing's actually pretty fair, especially for being pretty good quality clothing. Next is just another little black crop top. It looks like this, and it has this pretty ruffle edging on it. These are super popular as well. One of those that cinches in a little bit to kind of like accentuate your boobs. And this one has a cute little tie in the middle here with a little peekaboo hole in there. Ordered this one in a medium just because I didn't want it to be super duper fitted. So as I was trying to like decide between small and medium, that's usually what I thought about is how I planned on wearing it. So the crop tops I typically size down unless the material seemed like it was a little bit denser, like that gray one. Otherwise, I usually went with the small. The next item I got is the only dress I got, and it is this emerald green satin dress. Looks like this, and it still has those really thin straps again. I really wasn't like super into any of their dresses because none of them were kind of like everyday flowy type dresses, which are what I normally wear. This one is really like if you're gonna go out to the club, it has a nice cutout on your leg. So if you're looking for dresses like that, I would definitely check them out. This one was $29.99, which for the material and like the quality, again, I think is super fair. I think like clubbing dresses are the hardest ones to find good for like the price. So these are definitely like super nice, and it's not see-through or anything like that, which is great. It does have this pretty V detailing in the middle, again with the thin straps. I think overall, again, I didn't really want to buy a dress, but I did want to try them out, so I did buy this one. When I wear this, I never know when I will wear this, but I have it in case I do. Ooh, I love this. Okay, so this is a super cool windbreaker. It's kind of that color block theme that was super in like 10 years ago, and now it's coming back in a lot, especially with windbreakers like this. So it's this white pink colored one, and it doesn't look like it's super long. It looks like it's like the perfect like high-waisted jean type of windbreaker. Jacket was $21.99, which I think is fair. Again, like I don't wear a ton of windbreakers, to be honest, but when I do, I like them to be pretty edgy like this. I didn't say this item is bad quality by any means. However, I would say out of all of them, it's probably the like weirdest material. It's kind of like a stickier material, but overall I still would say it's pretty nice. The last item was definitely more of a splurge than any of the others, and it is these high-waisted mom jeans. I kind of have a fear when it comes to buying jeans from like clothing companies I've never tried, especially smaller ones, just because the sizing on them tends to be so weird, and it's hard to find reviews on other people saying like, oh, they run long, they run short, you need to get this and you get that. So that is kind of a worry of mine with these. However, that being said, I did not have a pair of mom jeans that I really liked that were nice and tapered on the leg. I have some that are more of a straight leg, but I didn't have any that were like this where they're tapered. The ones are pretty stretchy, so they looked like they fit pretty well. And the other thing about these jeans is they were $42.99, which I wouldn't say is necessarily expensive, but I know for me, I really like American Eagle jeans, and those tend to cost me anywhere from like $25, $35. So these are just a little bit more than that, and with not knowing the quality of them beforehand, like that was a little bit scary for me, but overall I think I will be pretty pleased with these. Alright you guys, that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me, and hopefully I will see you all here next time. Bye!